Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6, day 3, English reading and writing class. Children, take your honeysuckle book, that is page number 10. The last class we have practiced up to page number 9, that is unit 1 prose. Who did Patrick's homework? Now let's start from the 7th paragraph, that is 7th point. Listen carefully. Once I will read, listen carefully and then you have to repeat along with me. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. Open your mouth and read. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. D-R-A-G, drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, W-E-A-R-Y, weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed, P-U-F-F-E-D, puffed and blurry, B-L-E-A-R-Y, blurry, puffed and blurry. Now look at the next paragraph, children. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and shyly slipped out the back door. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder. Finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally, the last day of school arrived, A-R-R-I-V-E-D, arrived, and the elf was, E-L-F, elf, was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly, Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y, quietly, Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y, quietly and shyly, S-L-Y-L-Y, slyly slipped, S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped out the back door. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Now look at the next paragraph, children. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now read along with me, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. Patrick got his A's. His classmates, C-L-A-S-S-M-A-T-E-S, classmates were amazed, A-M-A-Z-E-D, amazed. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now look at the next paragraph, children. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he did made that tiny man do all his homework. But I'll share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. So children, read this passage thoroughly. Children, in the last class we have practiced, that is page number 2. First 4 lines we have practiced. Now let's practice the next line. First mention the date, children, that is today's date 9/8/2021. 9/8/2021. First mention the date, children. Before start to write, you have to draw the lines like this, children. Then only you can write the letters, that is the strokes, in a straight. So you have to first draw the line like this. This is very important. Sharpen your pencil, children. First you have to do the tracing here. See, keep your finger like this, that is a pencil here, that is from the second line, touch here the second line, then bend like this. Should now go for the fourth line. This must be in the middle 2 lines only. This is from second line to third line. Again look at me, start from here, bend. There must be a bend at the top. So you have to do like this, children. See, look at me. Again you have to do like this. See, look at me. You have to do the tracing. Tracing is very important, children. You have to concentrate and do your tracing. The first line tracing is the practice for you. So do the tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to do the same stroke for the next 2 lines, children. I'll write one line. You have to follow the same. Start from here, bend like this. See, just a small bend. See, like this, a small bend you have to do. See, it must be a straight here, a small bend, and it must be straight. Look at me. Likewise, you have to follow, children. See, the same thing. Likewise, you have to do this stroke. That is very important. These 2 lines, you have to do the same thing. After completing this stroke, come to the next one. See, look at me. Look at this stroke, children. This you have to start from here. Which line? From the third line you have to start, and you have to touch in the first line. Again you should bend here and you should touch this third line. So listen carefully, children. Look at here. So you have to start from here. The slanting, you have to go above and put a knot like this, and then you have to come like this. See, again one more time writing, children. See, start from here, touch this go above, and then here look at this, children. This is the touch point, the center point. With these 2 lines you have to touch here this point. You have to be careful here. See, again one more time I am writing here. See, go above, come down. See, bend like this. Again start from here, go above. It must be slanting. Once again listen, children. Should go above, come down. Put slanting. Should touch only the third line. Again start from here, go above, come down, and touch here. Again once again listen, children. Listen, go above, come down. It should touch this. This is the point, middle point. See, again one more time. It should go above and then come down. So again listen, children. Look at me how I am writing. Go above, come down, touch this third line. Once more look at me. See, go above and come down. So you have to do the tracing like this. One more time. Look at me. Look at here. Start from here. Go above, come down, and bend like this. See, here it must touch. This is the touching point. So you have to concentrate on this. Again look at me, children. See, once again. See, it should go above and bend like this. Once again listen, children. It should go above and it should touch like there. See, somewhat slanting, and it should put the knot. See, somewhat slanting, and it should put the knot here. See, look at me, children. Once more. See, put the slanting like this. Once again it should go above, touch this, and come down. Again look at me, children. It should go above, come down, and it should touch. The same way you have to do this. Go above, come down and it should touch. So children, likewise you have to practice this line also. So children, first mention the dates, sharpen your pencil and then you have to do this tracing and then only you have to practice by the next line. Practice it well. So children, take your honeysuckle book, page number 10, that is unit 1, prose. Who did Patrick's homework, that is page number 10. Practice from 7th point to 10th one. Read louder, pronounce it properly. After completing your reading, take your handwriting book. Take page number 2, mention the date and do your handwriting in page number 2. Write it neatly, mention the date, sharpen your pencil children. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.